Guys, so these are the new Jacksons that look good. The new Jacksons, these ones look good. And these are the ones that are filthy. I'm going to clean them up and make them look better. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. Alright guys, so here are the Jacksons. You can see they were sitting for a while, so they got some rust. Gonna clean them up and get some paint on them to make them look better. Here's the other one. They are not so rough, but they can work. They actually still functional. Alright guys, so I'm going to just use a regular old screwdriver and scrape off the flaking old paint. As you can see, these are dry to the touch now. Alright guys, so I'm going to put them now to dry and then apply some